everybody. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste our completed train organizer into a Google Doc. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is have your train organizer open. So number one, I do have it open. You can see it's all completed. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is open my drive. So you can do that over here in the waffle, we call that. You can see the drive. If you're comfortable using just the docs icon, you can. I always use the drive. So when we're in here, we're going to look for the big plus. That's going to let us create a new document. So I'm going to hit plus, and I'm going to hit Google Doc, and it's going to open one up for me like this. All right, so step one, rename your document and share it. Okay, so that's the first thing to do. Up here, it's gonna have untitled essay, untitled paper, something like that. So make sure you change it. You want it to say your name, not mine, and not name. Your name for your schoolwork so that you get credit. Name, and we're gonna call this Symbolism Draft Essay. Okay, that's what we're going to call it. Symbolism Draft Essay, and put your name in front of it. Next, we're going to hit share, and you're going to need to add your English teacher up here, or teachers. Some of us have more than one person. So in my classroom, Ms. Basket, I have right now Ms. Morse helping me and Mr. Leem. So you can add both of those people if you're in my classroom and you have those teachers with you. You could do Ms. Lopez, Ms. Coriel, Ms. Arrington, doesn't matter. And then we're just going to hit done. So that's the very first thing. First thing, rename your document and share it. Okay. Next, here's what we're going to do. The very first thing we're going to do is hit the tab key. Okay, the tab key is next to the Q on the keyboard. You're going to hit it over. It's going to indent for you. It's the very first thing we do. I'm going to open up my train organizer. I'm going to go to paragraph 1. Okay, make sure it says paragraph 1 up here. And I'm going to copy this entire first topic sentence that has your claim statement in it. So I'm going to hit right click and choose copy. You can also hit edit and choose copy. And you can also do the keyboard shortcut of Control and C as in cat. It's going to copy it. So right here, I'm going to paste it in. So I'm right clicking and choosing paste. Sometimes you will not have that option. You can hit edit, hit paste. Okay. Everything can be finicky, so you just kind of have to know how it's going to work for you on your Chromebook. So here's my first sentence. The next step is to hit a space bar. Hit the space bar, move your cursor over 1 notch. I'm going to go back to my train organizer. I'm going to go do the same thing for the second box. I'm going to get everything highlighted. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go here. And I'm going to do paste, and it's going to put it in for me. All right. Same thing again. I'm going to have to hit the space bar 1 time. Okay. Notice each sentence is going after the next sentence. So if you didn't notice, my cursor was all the way down here. So if that happens to you, don't copy and leave a whole bunch of space up here, right? You don't want space. You only need 1 space between sentences. So I'm just going to keep going and doing the whole thing like that until I'm done with this first essay. And if you're not sure what some of these things mean, like evidence and elaboration, you can watch the first video again. And we go over it a little bit for you. And here's my last sentence, my conclusion of that first paragraph. Okay, so here we go. Here it is. My first paragraph. It's done. Train's done. I have paragraph 2. Okay. But before I start copying and pasting my second paragraph in, I need to hit the Enter key to make it go forward a space. And then I need to hit a Tab key, and it'll move my cursor in and indent for me. Now I'm going to do the second thing with my second paragraph. So highlight that topic sentence, copy it, paste it, add a space, copy it, paste it, add a space. Just keep going. Okay. You might notice, like I see that I have a typo in here. That's okay. We can have typos. We can fix those. It's not a big deal. We're not going to stop what we're doing to fix the typo because that's very confusing for our brain. Our brain needs to know right now, this is all we're doing, and we will fix that typo in a minute. It's going to be just fine. We can wait. Copy, add a space, copy, and here's my final paragraph. Okay. So that's how I do this particular type, okay, for my essay. So here we go. I've got it done. I've got it in here, and now I can move forward and begin ratiocination.